Hello and welcome back to Course Name Technologies. In today's video we are going to look at how you can create a signed application. This signed application, there is a difference between when you click here and build, hover on build, you'll see two types of creating app bundles. You have this first option where you will create an app to share with your friends directly through maybe Sender, File Manager, and so on. You can share through WhatsApp and so on. But when you are in this app bundle, you will be able to upload it to Play Store on Apple Store. So in today's video, we are going to look at the step by step on how to create one. So you just click on the three dots, build and generate assigned bundles. So in this step, you can decide also to create an APK here, but because we want to upload it to the Play Store, we will create an Android app bundle. Click on next. In here, as you can see, my entries have been selected, e.g. the password and the key password. This is the store password and the key password. If you have your Keystore, you just use all by selecting on choose existing like that, and it will take you where your Keystore is located and you will select the directory. If you want to create new, just click on here, write your password here, and for the key, write your password here, first name, organization unit, maybe IT department, organization name, I have the city, state and province, and the code for the country. And because I have already created mine, as you can see here, I have a lot of keystores. It is a compulsory step, and you will just choose it, and this will be updated directly. Just click on remember password if you want it to have every time. You don't have to insert it. So click on next. You can choose which version you want to do. For example, if you want to debug your app, for mine is this, so I'm going to create. And in here, when you open this build, you will see the steps here. Since I did this just a few minutes, it has not taken a lot of time. Also, it will depend on your alarm and so on to process this. Usually it takes less than a minute, but it will depend with your machine. To access it, just click here on notification, and you can see it has created. You can just click on a rocket here, and it will open this file manager, and you will see your app bundles here in form of a B form. You can see the analysis here by clicking on this one, and it will show you this analysis here. For example, the base, the bundle metadata, which is usually not that important. The most important is this size here and this version and the version code. This will help you when you are uploading your bundle to the Google Play Console when you click on create new release. But that is a video for another day. So thank you for watching this tutorial. It is just that simple. Remember that if you don't have you have to install keystores and so on, but that is how you create your signed app bundle. So thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.